Hello guys, today we're gonna draw a cute car. Let's start. You have to make a little curve on this side. Now you need to do the same and this side. And make sure that it's not too thick. Okay, now you just need to join it properly. I need to make one line over here, and you need to take it down like this. Okay, and now you need to make a circle. I will just use my eraser to make a proper circle. And then you just do the same. Now, and then you can make it over here. And then you just need to make a small. And then you just need to erase these small. And then the love. And you're done. Now let's color.